Hey there, and welcome to my channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can be able to achieve this split image in Figma. So let me bring it out and let me show you how I was able to achieve it. First of all, let me delete it. Okay, let me just delete it. First of all you need to do is create a rectangle. Let's say you want this rectangle, like this is perfect. Let's give it a border radius of 20 pixel. So double click on it, ensure you're in vector mode. When you're in vector mode, hold on your shift and alt, click on it, drag it to the other side. Once you look, you will notice something on this section here. The rectangle is no longer a single rectangle, it's now split into two different rectangles but held together by one rectangle. And when we do the same thing again, we hold on our shift and alt on this one, and while in vector mode, double click on it, drag it to this other side. If you look at that section again, you will notice that this rectangle now is made up of three different rectangles held by one rectangle. So once you click on your escape key, come here. Now you have your three images but that are made up of one single image. So when you are in these sections like this, when you have done it, just click here, click on splash, select the image you want. Let's say you want an image of food, and click on this image of food. Ensure it is in landscape view, and here you have it. So you can just actually adjust it. You can double click here, bring it closer to each other, double click here, double click on this, bring it closer to this, double click on this and bring it closer to this. So there you have it. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.